Jaod bura masaboti Kaleb Amisi Maria Ayanga duond buche mar The People's Renaissance Movement ma ogeto tiyo godo e donjo e siasa e yo mongirore. Jotelogo mane oyuoro e nyasi no opuoyo kang' mar duond burano ka ging'iye kaka mano ma oketo maino e lokruok mar weche mag uchumi. Bende gipuoye kaka achiel kuom okenge ma dhi medo mijing'o mar golo jatend piny William Ruto e telo. Bende gikwayo rowere mondo okaw ting' mar kedo ne uchumi mar piny Kenya kod dongruok mar piny.
This movement is stronger against elite greed, political recycling, empty rhetoric, and endless broken promises. Kenya is in a total quagmire. The crisis we face today, my people, demands more than cosmetic changes. It requires a true economic renaissance.
Young Kenyans must move from being spectators of politics to becoming participants in the political arena. Therefore, register to vote, vote wisely, join political parties, and demand that those parties practice the democracy they preach.
The PRM party is one such a party. We have several ideas in common. We are looking to form alliances with radical, reform-minded political parties as we gear up to send this thieving regime to committee in the next 364